What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nelson, and today I have a haul video for you guys. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys because I purchased some very cute items. So let's get right onto it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys that I got was from the Dollar Tree, and this is like their like Valentine's Valentine themed towel, and it's super cute. It has a little cute little hearts on it, super cute. And I bought it specifically because I need like a little towel after I did I just throw it on my face? But anyways, I needed a little towel to clean my brushes with, or like just put them on top after I clean them. So this is super cute. Also from the Dollar Tree, I got this cute little cup. It's so cute. It says you're dreaming, and not dreaming, you're dreamy. And it has the cute little like damn, I keep blinking out. What's this thing called again? Dream catcher. Yeah, dream catcher. There you go. It has a cute little dream catcher, well, 2 on it, and it has hearts. So super duper cute. Next, from the Dollar Tree, I got this cute little, like, what do you call this thing? It's cute. It's kind of like I mean, it is a mirror, but it's cute because it technically looks like Rapunzel's little mirror. Ugh, I don't know how to show you guys, but it's super cute and I am obsessed with it. Like, it's super cute. It's only $1. From Walmart, I got one item, and that is this, which is the pink xoxo bar. A lot of people use this to clean their brushes with, and it was only like 97 cents at Walmart, so I had to pick it up. It's super big, and can't wait to start using it for my brushes. Lastly, I have 2 items that I bought from xoxo, and I am excited to share them with you guys. So hold on. First one I got is this, which is the Rose Gold Edition palette, and it's really cute. It reminds me kind of like the Morphe eyeshadow palettes, because look at it, it's super gorgeous. The colors are so gorgeous. And I got it from xoxo again, and this I think was only like $12 or $15, one of those, I don't remember. Let's grab this gold color. Oh my god, that gold color is calling my name, girl. Ooh, ooh, that looks cute. I can't technically put it anywhere. It doesn't really show too much on my skin. The lighting is bad, sorry about that. And I'm just gonna grab perhaps this orangey color right here. Okay, I'm just gonna pat that right on top. Ooh, right there. And lastly, I have, of course, this Royals Bad Habit palette. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been dying to get this palette because it's a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I've been wanting that palette so much, but I can't afford it because I'm currently broke. So yeah, these colors are so gorgeous. Ugh, so cute, you guys. I can't wait to play around with this palette. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch like a couple shades in here and show you guys. Okay, let's just grab this like majestic color right here on the side. Oh my god, it's super pigmented already. Like, just, ugh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just so gorgeous. And let's just grab this here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. It's already like super pigmented. Yes. Oh, yeah, let's get like a champagne glittery one. I'm gonna be grabbing Crown right here. Ooh. Yes. Yes, y'all. Yes. This is so cute. Ooh. The camera's not doing it justice. But it's cute. It's such a champagne color. Oh, you guys. Yeah, that completes my haul, you guys. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye, guys. Last. Can't wait to play with them. Ah! I'm so excited. And they're super affordable. So check out xoxo. Check out xoxo. Oh my god, you guys. I cannot talk today.